Hey there, everybody. Welcome back. Good to see you again. John Phelps with TechMetric. And now that we've got the BG integration turned on, well, we want to make sure that we get the most out of it, right? We want to make sure that the service advisors, the technicians are getting the most out of this feature with this partnership and with this integration. Now, what I want to be able to show you here today is how to tie a BG CAN job to an inspection task on our digital vehicle inspection. Now, that's a mouthful to say, but what does it mean? On our DVI, that digital vehicle inspection, we can pre-assign BG jobs to certain inspection lines. And then once it's marked off in the yellow or red, and that inspection is marked complete, it's going to automatically add that BG CAN job to the estimate. I think we can all agree that if we're able to get more BG fluids presented to customers, well, chances are more customers are going to say yes for those services that are needed. And when they do, they're happy because they're well taken care of. Their vehicle is properly maintained. The technicians are happy because now they have more work to do. And the advisors are happy because, well, they got another yes for the customer, probably made a little bit more money in the process. But let's jump right back in to TechMetric and show you how to pre-assign these CAN jobs to the inspection tasks and then what it looks like when those are properly utilized. So what we're going to do is come over here to inspections. I'm going to click on inspections, and yes, you can have multiple digital vehicle inspections inside of TechMetric. But let's click on the 34-point inspection that we already have here. I'm going to come and look under the hood, and then I'm going to scroll down, and you can see that I've already got the BG transmission service, the BG coolant service, and the BG brake fluid service tied to certain DVI tasks. But let's go ahead and remove that. Well, it simply says search BG CAN jobs. Or search CAN jobs, I can type in BG transmission. There we go. I've selected BG transmission service. I can come up top, I can hit save, and now those CAN jobs are already assigned. You can have as many of those as you want. So instead of the one line that just says check fluids, we'll break those out into multiple lines. Check brake fluid, check transmission fluid, coolant, power steering, differential if you're able to check that as well. And each one of those can have a BG CAN job assigned to it. So now we'll go back to the job board and we'll click in here to one of the open ROs. I can go ahead and I can assign that 34-point inspection. Now, for the sake of time, I can select all of those as green. But when I scroll down, that little wrench is going to indicate that I've got a CAN job tied to this inspection task. And if I select these in the yellow or the red, like I mentioned, I can type in that these are depleted fluid, even add a picture of the dab lube tray, show them what their actual fluid looks like. Now, once I go ahead and save this and I mark it as complete, well, when I then come into my estimate screen, those 3 BG jobs are going to already be pre-populated with my labor, with my parts, with my markup, with the customer total. And then at that point in time, well, we get it sent to the customer. They can hit approve all. And then just like that, more BG jobs, more BG fluids have been sold to customers. Hopefully, this taught you a little bit about how that integration can work inside of TechMetric. For the shops that aren't using this, this is a great way to increase that presentation, get it in front of more customers. And for the shops that are utilizing it, are they maximizing how many of those CAN jobs are assigned to that DVI? Then again, for the shops that aren't utilizing TechMetric in the first place, well, there's another candidate on how we can get them switched over to help you sell more of your fluids. We'll see you again next time.
Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and to share it with the rest of your team. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you would like to see more helpful videos for auto repair shops. Have a wonderful day.